This we were in we were down in the what do they call it with the
Ginza?
walkway? The Ginza, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's me again, Jessa and Travis.
Hindi tayo doon eh.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we will show you how we do the proof of meeting in person as one of the requirements when you submit the K1, your K1 packet. So this is the proof of meeting in person. So we will show you what pictures, our pictures, and also what we put on our document for the proof of meeting in person. So first, for the first page, we just put here our big pictures, me and Travis, and then the second page, um, our first meeting in Japan 2019. So these are the pictures of our first meeting, February 29, 2019. So you have to put the dates where you go on the at that time, so the place, so when it happened, so where it is, and then also of course it's only me and Travis are in there in the pictures. And then let's go to the next page. So this is gonna be a quick video for you guys to have an idea on how you will compile or gather your pictures, how you put it in the document. So this is a separate documents for chat logs and call logs. So we separate the proof of meeting in person. So the second one is also it's still in Japan. So this is another place. So this is at Saikai Bridge, Sasebo. So it April 12 to 2019. So I also put pictures here. And then this is meeting with Travis' parents. So as you all know, guys, um, his parents visited him in Sasebo, Japan. So by that time, we already met. Me and Travis already met. So he decided to introduce me to his parents. So
What a lucky
this
girl.
place, yeah. So where is this place nga, Pangs?
This we were in we were down in the what do they call it with the
Ginza?
walkway? The Ginza, yeah.
Yeah. This is it at Sasebo, and then the other one, no, wait lang. The picture of us, all of us, the four of us there at Nagasaki Peace Park. So you have to put you every time, for example, you have another friends with you in the pictures, you have to put their names there so they will know. So for example, friends meeting with Travis parents, thus you have to put their Travis parents, so Miss Karen and Ron, like that. You put their name there and also the place and the date. Yeah.
Okay.
And then next, so it's only me and his mom. This is still at Nagasaki Peace Park. Next, Pangs. So this is me, Travis, and with our friend. So this is at Coco Curry Restaurant sa Cebu, Japan. So this is ano to? May 5, 2019 to. And then our name and Julie and Justin, yeah. And then this is our second meeting in Bahrain. This is last year lang. And then this at Elite Sea President's Manama. And then the date's also February 4, 2021. Next, same. So yeah, I just added the pictures, and then I also put there his Valentine's gift to me. Yeah. And the next punks. So another hotel because he keeps moving. He keeps moving. So another hotel. This is K Hotel Jafair. March 14, 2021. So like this, for example, like this kind of um like introduction, like you have to put their filming for our YouTube vlog together, what we are doing on that picture, so they have an idea. So another hotel, this is his apartment na pala, Vevey Tower Jufair. So March 19, 2021. So what we did on that time, checking Travis permanent accommodation in Bahrain. So yan. And then this is our date, Char, lunch date at Dragon City Mall, Bahrain. So Dragon City Muharrak, April 3, 2021. And then Travis' birthday, celebrating his birthday, April 29, 2021. Vevey Tower, yeah. And then meeting my colleagues. So you have to put their names and then the dates, yeah. So those are my friends. So they met Travis there at his apartment. And then next, Pang's chief pinning ceremony. Ayan. So we have quite a lot of pictures. So I just put some nice pictures here. So yeah, this is at NSA Bahrain softball field. It happened on November 19, 2021. So it's me, Travis, and his ano yan, babe? Senior Chief Jess.
Yeah.
And then the other chief. So this is the chief pinning ceremony. And then the next one is the kaki bowl. So as usual, you have to put the place and then yeah, their names. Yeah. So I also put their souvenir from ball, those glass and the pictures. And then last page is the engagement day. So this is our engagement day. This is the engagement day. So December 24, 2021. And I also put our social media, like our Facebook, that
Yeah.
we got engaged, something like that. So it's very simple, but this is just one part of the attachment of your K1 packet. So now you have an idea on how to gather it and how you put it in one Word document. So I hope you learned something, guys, in this video. And then next week or next time we will make another video on how you compile on how you put your chat log, call log, and then the receipt, like the receipt of give receipt, ganon. So this is one video lang for today. This is a quick video lang. So see you again, guys, on our next video. Bye.